Hi everyone, my name is Irina. I'm a 23-year-old biology student at HSE University and I come from Serbia. So many of you may be wondering what exactly are cellular and molecular biotechnologies. So biotechnology is basically the science of using live organisms in terms of creating something bigger than themselves. So for example, creating many different proteins used in medicine, in pharma, etc. But many of young scientists often come across this problem. When exiting their bachelor degrees and when finishing their degrees, they often seem to be unable to fit into this commercial market. They're not aware of the possible ways to monetize on their ideas. So that's exactly what HSE Uni offers us. Having fundamental knowledges in biology while also being supported in fields such as business, entrepreneurship, etc. That's exactly skills necessary to fit into this commercial world while also having the science on our side. The time of our lectures really depends on the year of studies that we're in, as well as our major. So our Faculty of Biology and Biotechnology actually offers two different majors. One of them is Neurocognitive Sciences, as well as Cellular and Molecular Biotechnologies, which I'm a part of. Besides the regular seminars and lectures that you may come across majors in other faculties, we also have practical work, for example, in subjects such as invertebrate zoology, as well as genetical engineering, and many other subjects in between. One of my favorite sciences is actually epigenetics. That's my favorite subject. It sort of gave me this insight in the power I have over my gene expression. So, to put it simply, how the way you live impacts the genome you've been given. And besides that, one of the projects that I've been working on is a project in microbiology that uses the proteolytics from a fungi called Aspergillus protuberans in the goal of helping feathers, usually disposed of in the meat industry, disintegrate faster and more efficiently. My project was based on the hypothesis that any microorganism capable of living on the feathers is actually capable of disintegrating them in the means of eating them. So that's exactly what we did. We did manage to isolate a fungi out of the feathers that has shown up in our genetic analysis as Aspergillus protuberans. Even though the results are promising by now, there's still a part of all the experiments yet to be done. I personally enrolled at this university through this organization called Russian House Abroad, or as it's commonly known, Rasotrudnichestvo, or Ruski Dom in Serbia, where I'm from. So after submitting all the necessary documents for it, I had a smaller interview with the staff from that organization, and then I decided to actually go through with my prep here. I had studied at a preparatory faculty at the university, at the financial university under the Russian government. And after getting all the necessary knowledges in Russian that allowed me to be able to study here, I started my bachelor degree. Taking into account that I'm also a singer, I took part in performing for many different university festivals, such as Balkanica, where Balkan international students shared their cultures and experiences with one another, as well as HSE Unity Fest, where the same event was on an even larger scale that connected all the international students through their cultures. Besides taking a part in all of those events as a part of the performance, I was also a part of the audience at different concerts organized by our universities. Also, the knowledges that I've acquired during my studies here at this wonderful universities came from different speakers from different fields and masterclasses, such as political masterclasses, as well as cultural or design masterclasses, also organized at this stunning university. I sincerely invite all the international students to broaden their horizons in science and business while enrolling in this wonderful university.